Trail food can quickly become old, especially if you're on a long through hike, just carrying dehydrated meals. Perhaps you're going no-cook, or you're just a lazy bastard who doesn't want to plan out its meals. In all of those cases, this video is for you. I've got a selection of 6 ground spices that are quite readily available and are capable of instantly improving your meal. I'll kick it off with one of my go-to spices, smoked paprika. This one is a champ for cooking on the go. It's woodsy, a bit sweet, earthy and of course smoked. A very potent spice that delivers a real kick. But how do you use it? Well, basically you can use it in everything where you're thinking, you know what would be good with this? Bacon. It goes great with things like melted cheese, baked beans, avocado and basically any meat to give it a barbecue-like flavor. It also works together really well with tomato and lentils. Oh, and as a kicker, try to mix a little smoked paprika with Nutella. You'll be pleasantly surprised. The second one I have here is a little less known, but it's quite high on my list because it's got some unique characteristics. And that one is sumac. Now, this spice is often used in the Middle Eastern cuisine and comes from a bright red berry. And it is one of the few spices that has a fresh acidic taste, with a little bit of tanginess. That acidity that you usually get from fruit or lemons is something I dearly miss after a couple of days on the trail. I'll crave something fresh, and that is where sumac comes in. It works great with fish like salmon or tuna, avocado, dried meats, mashed potato and baked beans. But I also use it to brighten up hefty meals like mac and cheese. Now, on to cardamom. This one will definitely spread a great smell across your campsite. A well-known but sporadically used spice in the Western kitchen. It's sweet, very herbal and nutty and immediately reminds me of apple pie. It is great with your instant noodles, rice, curry and chicken. On the other side of the taste palette, it can also be added to sweet things like syrup, donuts, cake, and can even be a great addition to your tea or apple cider drink mix. Ginger. Now this one is all the craze, but for good reason. It's pungent, earthy and warming, a very aromatic spice. In ground form, the advice is to add it in the end, since prolonged heating will reduce its potency. Just like cardamom, ginger works great in combination with both savory and sweet meals. It is wonderful with chicken and beef broth, but also a strong tasting fish like salmon. You can add it to noodles and it pairs really well with garlic. On the sweet side, it is good with honey and chocolate milk. And of course you can use it to make a powerful tea. Pimenta, also known as allspice. It was named allspice because it kind of tastes like a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves. You can already imagine that pimenta can add a lot of warmth to your dishes. It works great with ingredients like coconut, lentils, rice, mashed potato and chicken. And it is also great to add a pinch of allspice through your oatmeal. Oh, and if you happen to carry vodka with you on trips, next time add some honey and pimenta to it. Okay, so now I'm cheating, but I really want to show some love to good old herb de Provence. A combination of thyme, rosemary, marjoram and often some other herbs. This magic mix can instantly give a Mediterranean flavor to any dish. It is excellent with any type of meat, couscous, risotto, vegetables. Oh, and if there's tomato in it, herbs de Provence will work. Mixing it with olive oil is also a great way to get the smell and taste out. I hope this has given you some inspiration to liven up your go-to meals on hiking and backpacking trips. As always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.